Did you know that there are more than 40 different mortgage providers in the Netherlands with several different mortgage products? Having more options to choose from is not always easier, but especially if you're spending a lot of money on a home, it can sure make an impact if you spend just a little bit more time on figuring out what the best product is for you. In this video, we'll share more about what you need to know to actually make the right decision. We're not going to walk you through the different mortgage products. No, what we're going to do is we're going to actually inform you about the difference between talking to a bank, which has a few products, and an independent mortgage broker. We often get the question, do I need to go to a bank or to a mortgage advisor for my mortgage advice? What we often tell people is go to both, but do understand the differences between the two. Because a bank, we like to compare to a retail shop. They'll actually try and sell you the products that they have on store. Of course, they're big institutes, so they're kind of trustworthy in that sense. I understand that you might feel more comfortable going to a bank. However, a mortgage advisor or an independent mortgage advisor, because it's good to know that they have no allegiances with any of the mortgage providers and they don't get a kickback when they, for example, sell you a mortgage, they have access to a large range of different mortgage options. So what we compare the independent mortgage advisor with is more of a personal shopper or stylist. They will actually help you make the right decision. They don't really care where you buy, as long as you're happy with what you're buying, you fit really well in it and it looks good on you, right? That's very important, especially if you're getting a loan that is going to be tons and tons of money. So I would advise to talk to both. Maybe from a financial perspective, the bank will be a little bit more affordable. So banks charge anywhere between 1,000 and 2,000 euros for mortgage advice. Please mind, they're not free, because even though you get a mortgage from them, they'll still charge you money for actually helping you set it up. The mortgage advisor or the independent mortgage advisor or the mortgage broker, what we call them, charges closer to 25 to 3,000 euros for actually supporting you with setting up your mortgage. The other difference between a bank and a mortgage advisor is that most banks, they will kick into gear once you've actually purchased the property, and they're a little bit hesitant when it comes to giving you security about whether you will actually get the mortgage or not, because they have all of these processes in place. A mortgage advisor is keen to kind of like keep you on and make sure that you're happy. Plus, they really know how the ins and outs work with all of these providers. So they're in a better position to inform you whether your mortgage will be approved, yes or no. Sometimes even they have a deal with different mortgage providers that if you were to pick one of those mortgage providers, then they can actually help you secure your mortgage in a very short period of time, sometimes even in 24 hours. So now you know the difference between a bank and a mortgage advisor, and you're ready to take your next step to become a certified homeowner. But before you pick up the phone and call them, maybe first figure out what you want to be spending on a monthly basis. We've made a nice little video for you to figure out what should be the final amount. Just click on the upper corner and you'll learn more about that. Thanks, take care, and see you at the next video.